But the other glasses we don't want to use. Show you how to delete the other glasses. Maybe we need to delete this. Just show you how, guys. These glasses we need to move, delete it, and then get this other glasses. Okay. Do this like this one, and then click this, and then go to your avatar, and that, like that, and you can. But you can use like this. Go to skin color, any skin color you want, even the skin color you need, like that. Now that. Now after that, it's not easy how to do that. So easy. If you want to learn something other than this, I will help you to do this. See you next time. Moodster out. And do you know that YouTuber? His name is Ingjujen. I make a video about him. I'm joking with him. See you next time.